guys, it's Zane and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this candy cane Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So I'll show you the step-by-step. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need is a candy cane. Then you'll need a red pom-pom for Rudolph's nose. And next you need some googly eyes. Lastly, a brown pipe cleaner for the antlers. You need some sort of glue, and I think hot glue would be the best for this. It worked great. So the first step is putting a little dab of glue on the very end of the candy cane. Then you're going to grab your red pom-pom and stick it on the very end like the nose. Okay, next step, figure out where your eyes are gonna go. When you figured it out, put one little dab of glue on the one side for the one eye. Do one eye at a time, because hot glue dries kind of quickly. Now it's the same thing for the other eye, just right on the other side. Now he needs his antlers, so take your brown pipe cleaner and figure out where the middle of it is and wrap that around the candy cane. Now once you have it wrapped around once, you're going to take one side of it and bend it to look like antlers. Then you do the same thing to the other side. Now with this side, I started up too high and it ended up just looking weird. They weren't even. So if you mess up, you totally just straighten it back out again and you can redo it until you get it to look how you want it to. Now once his antlers are all evened out, that's it, you're all finished. So that is how to make a candy cane Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. You could use it as a Christmas tree ornament or put them around your house wherever you like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!